Hi all. Now we can see what is the Power BI updates for April 2024. It have improved the image mode in Power BI add-ins for PowerPoint. So now I'll explain you what is that update. So before that I'll explain you what is the process which we have done before. Then I'll explain you what is that update which they have enabled for April 2024. So normally when we are preparing a report, once it is done, we will be publishing the report in service. Once it is done, we will be using this share option, and we'll be using these four options to share the report. One is like copy link, mail, Teams, and PowerPoint. So in this PowerPoint only, they have enabled few enhancement. So first I will tell you like how to share the report in PowerPoint. Then I will tell you what is the enhancement they have done in PowerPoint. So to share the report in PowerPoint, we need to click on share and we need to click on PowerPoint. Then copy this URL. Go to PPT which you want where you want to add that report. Go to the blank slide. Go to home menu bar. Click on add-ins. Search for Microsoft Power BI. You will be finding this option. I have already searched it, so it has been available here. Click on this. It will take some time. So resize this so that your report will be fitting to the slide. So once it is done, paste that URL here and click on insert. So the report, whichever it's been published in service, it will be available here. While presenting, it will be useful for us. It is very interactive. So it will be very useful for us while presenting. So if you can see, it is like it's in an interactive mode. So it will be useful. So previously we have done we have shared the report in PowerPoint like this. So now in April updates, they have enhanced a few features here. If you can see here, if we click on this up arrow mark, we can find live data, snapshot, and public snapshot. So I'll explain you one by one. Live data is like where the recent data, if you click on this option, the recent data will be available here and the report also will be interactive. So this is what the meaning of this live data option. The snapshot is when we click on the snapshot, we can see only if I can show you a demo. If we click on the snapshot, the report will not be interactive. Only the picture of the report will be displayed here. So only the existing user can view this image. The person who doesn't have the access for this report, they can't able to view this report image. It will be showing a pop-up like you don't have the permission, so you need to have the permission to view this image. So this is what the this is what the meaning of this snapshot. So again, if you want to go to the live data, we need to click on this live data option. It will take some time. So this is what the use of this snapshot. Public snapshot is either if we are having access or not for the report, to whomever we are sharing this PPT, they can able to view the image. Either they are having the access for the report or not, they can see the image, and they can able to see the report name, and here if you can see here, they can add the outline. So some enhancement has been enabled for the public snapshot option also. So with these three options, we can use the report in our PPT so that it will be useful for us while presenting. There are few more updates in the month of April 2024. We can see one by one what is that. Continuous slideshow auto refresh. So we have shared the report in PPT, right? This can be auto refreshed automatically by switching on few settings. We need to click on live data and we need to go to slideshow setting here, and we need to click on this checkbox for auto refresh in slideshow, and we need to set the timing here. So according to the timing, this report will be getting refreshed automatically. So this is one update. The next update is open Power BI item in full screen mode. So normally when we are having a mobile view report, right, it will be having some issue like it will rotate automatically like that. So to fix that issue, what they have come up with the solution is like we can go to setting, we can go to launch setting, and we can switch on these two option available here. So it will be, the report will be available in a full screen mode. This is one update. Column property in report view tab. So normally we'll be having this column tool menu bar. It will be available in our data view, but now it will be available in our report view itself. So where we can switch direct, we can click on the column directly, and we can change the formatting directly in the report view itself. This is one update. And next update is like Copilot icon will be available in our Power BI desktop itself. So once if we upgrade our version, it will be automatically reflecting here. This is one update. The next update is 100% stacked area chart. This is the new visual they have come up with. So this is a combination of our 100% stacked chart and with the stacked area chart. So it will be like the combination of 100% stacked chart and this area chart. So we can see what is the upgrade which they have done. So I will copy paste this 100% stacked chart here. Change the view to this 100% area chart. I'll change this x-axis to order date because it is an area chart, right? So I'll change this to, so normally 100% stack chart is like it will be having a group of information. Here I have given a product category. So each and every category it contributes 100%. So on top of that, I have given this region information. So it is distributing that 100%, it is being distributed among these regions. So if we want to see the sales information, we need to hover over each and every region here, and we need to check what is the thing, and we can't able to see which is directly, we can't able to see which is high and which is low, so according to the product category. So here we can see in a single click we can able to see in region we have contributed this much and this is the percentage, and for east, south and west this is my sales and the percentage. In the single click only we can able to see. And area stacked area chart, you will be knowing, right? Like we can see which is the maximum sales for which month and which is contributing less. So based on this, we can able to take the decision. So it is like a combination of these two charts, stacked area chart and the 100% stacked chart. So we can play around with this format which is available, which is similar to the format which is available for all the charts. So this is one update. The next update is like a line chart enhancement. We can see what is that. This is the line chart which we will be using before. Now they have enhanced. I'll show you what is the enhancement. We need to go to format and we need to go to line. In all this setting they have enhanced now. We need to go to color. We need to transform all the line to 100% or 90%, sorry. So here we can see the region. We can see central, east, south, west region. So now we need to concentrate more on central region. Means we can click on central region, and we can reduce the transparency to 0 or certain level, and we can change the color. So to concentrate more on central region, we can reduce the transparency and we can view the image like this. So this is one update they have done for line chart. And one more thing is like the interpolation type. So it is in a linear mode now. And one more thing is like smooth mode, the line will be like this. And one more thing is like in a step mode. So the steps position also we can change, like before, center, after. So it will be changing accordingly. We can fix our step position also. So this is one update they have done in live and line chart enhancement. So thank you all.